words of encouragement.
Don't let the bullies get to you. You are beautiful. You are not a terrorist. Take pride of your name and keep your head held up high.
From strangers, friends, and classmates.
The feedback's been really good. I've enjoyed reading the stuff that people have written me.
14-year-old Isis Brown's Facebook video reaching more than 300,000 people, including some she says bullied her at Nathan Hale Junior High.
I didn't get called anything today. I've had a lot of people come up to me and tell me that they're sorry for ever making fun of me.
Her mother, Doris, says it's a welcome change.
She got in the car. Mom, it was an awesome day.
For 3 years, Isis has dealt with kids calling her a terrorist. The bullying so relentless at her last school, she had to transfer.
Show people what the real ISIS is. Show them how you feel. Get it out there so people would know.
Her video helping others with the same name.
Love your name. Cherish your name.
Also, she's been asked to talk to kids at her school and others about bullying.
I started feeling more and more better about myself and started feeling like I can do more and accomplish more.
The sky's the limit for Isis Brown, posting another video thanking everyone who's helped her confidence grow.
I just want to say thank you for everybody who shared it, made a comment on it, just looked at it. I hope it's made your day just as good as it's made mine.